Question is, why study abroad? The most important question. So here is the basic answer basically. Why study abroad? This is primarily because of three reasons. That is global career opportunities, networking opportunities, intercultural integration. So if you study abroad, the chances of working in a global Fortune 500 company increases, particularly if you do your studies from US or UK or any of the European countries. You will become a part of global talent pool, which will again increase your network to a wider area across countries. Most importantly, your salary will be in dollars and euros. You will be earning much higher as per the international standards. That is something in the tune of 50 to 60 lakhs annually if you are an average student. It may go up to 70-80 lakh rupees if you are a meritorious student. And obviously people go for lifestyle. In terms of quality of living, US, UK, Germany, those are very well ranked. Apart from that, you also get chance to interact with global CEOs, researchers, founders. For example, if you're studying a UG in MIT, Massachusetts, people say it may be possible that the student sitting next to you may be the next Isaac Newton or maybe the next Albert Einstein. So just imagine the quality of students studying at universities like MIT or Stanford. So you will get a chance to interact with them. Most importantly, you will be a part of global alumni network. In this current era, the most important asset you have, apart from the degree that you have, is your alumni network. If you have a good alumni network, you can land up a job in any of the country of your choice, depending on where your alumni is. And obviously, you will be having access to the networking fairs. Apart from that, you will have intercultural integration. You will come to know about people at large, what type of lifestyle they do, what their thought process is, and accordingly, you can also change up your mind. So these are some of the very important benefits of studying abroad, and that is the reason some of the famous Indians like Sundar Pichai, Ratan Tata, Raghuram Rajan, Arnab Goswami, all of them are or do have a degree from abroad. And there are many alumni like Indra Nui also, the CEO of PepsiCo. She has also done her education abroad. So looking at these all parameters, we can clearly say that studying abroad has very good amount of benefits if utilized in a more strategic way.